Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this blue sparkly makeup look. And I don't know if you have seen my previous video, but I did a gender reveal because I'm already 90 weeks pregnant and it's a boy. So I know it's so cliche, but I just had to do a blue eye look. So that's what I'm going to do today. If you want to see the gender reveal, if you haven't yet, make sure you check it out. I will put a link in the description bar. It's a quite short video, I think it's around 30 seconds, but it's very funny, so definitely check it out. So I just started with priming the eyelids, and then I went in with the Highbrow Duo Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, using a little bit of that underneath the highest point of my eyebrow just to kind of brighten it up. I used it in one of my previous videos where I did like a brow tutorial using all Benefit products, and I have just re-fallen in love with this pencil. It's so nice. So now I'm going to go in with this palette from Colourpop, which is such a cute palette. And I'm going to use the blue colors, and I'm going to start with this quite dark shade actually. So I'm just kind of gonna like press it onto the outer part of the eyelid. So I have like most of the product like sitting on my eyelid and not that much product on my brush anymore. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna kind of smudge everything out, try to make the edges more softer. And this is probably the only part that took me a little bit longer compared to the rest of this eye look, because it's actually quite an easy look. I'm only using like minimal products. I'm only using this blue color like all over in my crease like I'm doing right now, and then I will use a different color all over the eyelid, and that's it. So it's a really easy eye look to recreate. You only need two colors, but I would just say take your time with the blending. That's kind of the most important step, and then if that's good, you can't really go wrong anymore. So I'm just continuing to blend. I always take my time with this. And then after that, I just decided I felt like my brows weren't really looking good. I forgot to use my brow gel, so I used this brow gel from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And then I went in with this beautiful blue sparkly shade. So pretty. I just love the sparkles. I'm just using my finger to apply this all over the eyelids. It's super easy to use your finger. I feel like with your finger you actually get more color payoff compared to a brush. But for the inner corner I did use a brush because of my long nails. They were just in the way. So I had eventually used a brush, but you definitely want to use your finger for like the center part. Then I used I don't know what kind of brush this is, but it's kind of like a bigger, denser brush, and I just used a little bit of concealer to clean up around the outer edges. Then I decided to use a little bit of gel eyeliner just above the lash line because I was going in with false lashes, and I knew I wanted to use like a black pencil in the waterline. So just to make sure that my lower lash line wasn't too dramatic in comparison to my upper lash line, I wanted to use a little bit of eyeliner, but it's optional. You don't have to do this. So after using the gel eyeliner, I went on top of it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. I just feel like it's a really nice combination, and it just makes it more black and long lasting. Then I went in with a black pencil, and this one is from Makeup Forever. It's the Aqua pencil. It's really nice. And then I used the Lavine color from my own palette that I created together with Sigma Beauty. It's just a matte black color. And I used this for underneath the lower lash line and also kind of on top of the waterline to really make sure that there's no skin like peeking right in between the pencil and the waterline and the eyeshadow that I'm applying right now. Now to blend out that black eyeshadow, I went back in with a blue color that I used all the way at the beginning. I'm using quite a lot. I really wanted this to be like kind of smoky, kind of like a blue smoky eye, even though like it's not as dark as a black smoky eye. I feel like it definitely looks a little bit smoky. So then I went in with this color again from the Colourpop palette and used this a little bit in the inner corner just because I wanted to add just a little bit extra. It's optional, but it does add something extra. Then I curled the lashes using a lash curler from MAC Cosmetics, and I used a mascara from Benefit. It's the Roller Lash Mascara, one of my favorite mascaras. It's so nice. And then I went in with these Pixie Life Lashes from House of Lashes. Pop them right above the lash line, and then here you have the finished results. I really hope you like how it turned out. Let me know if you have children. Do you have a boy? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you guys expect that I would get a boy? I'm really curious to know your thoughts, so yeah, let's chat in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and that's really helpful for my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!